Hi, how you doing? In today's video, we're gonna review this typewriter. Look at this. It's like so nostalgic. So it's a Canon Typestar 5. It's a digital typewriter from like, I would like to say the 80s or 90s. And of course, before we turn it on, we have to look around the unit first, and then we could test it out. There's not really anything on the front. So on the right side here, there's a knob, the power switch, and the DC adapter, and one of the knobs that turns this, you know, the thing that rolls up the paper. On the back, you have a slot for batteries, and on the left side is the other knob to turn the paper, so that you can actually, you know, type on it. And up here you have your margin release, your KB, whatever that is, your mode, your left and right margin, the tab set, and the clear. Down here the code, so you can like format and indent, right align and center, stuff like this. Then there's this knob right there. I don't know what this is used for. I'll have to figure it out soon. Now that it's plugged in, we can just, you know, I'm sorry for saying constantly, you know. Wait a minute. The lock. This one locks the paper in place. I forgot to go over that one. So just turn this switch, and now it's on. So here I have this piece of paper from like from a notepad. Put that in there, roll it. Let's see if we can turn this around a little bit so that it's straight. And now lock. Oh, lock. Now we can type something. So I'm just gonna type. Type something down. Can you guess what it is? Wait, did it even type anything? Wait a minute. Did it type anything? Yes, it did. This is what it typed. That's funny. Well, what it actually said was subscribe to Retro909 and like the video. Yeah, I mean, the typewriter's not lying. If you do not subscribe and like, I do not have the motivation to upload more videos, so you might never see me again. I'm gonna pull Matt Pat on you and retire from YouTube already. I don't want to do that, but you know, I need the motivation. So make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.